continue is good. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh. Headache.
Oh well.
Stayed in?
Yeah,
oh, wow.
Stayed in. Didn't blow his head off.
Nope, not today.
Is clear, continue is good. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Tumble, tumble,
Didn't
tumble.
deploy.
Sort of.
Oh well. Clear, continue is good. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So should I risk a C11?
Hold on. That's at the edge of the park. Okay, good.
Mini Hojo C11. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Whoa,
Keto. Lovely.
Wow.
First time C11 keto. Look at what it cooked the tube.
Yeah.
It feels like, you know, Helen's rocket.
Yeah.
Oh,
The burrito.
Graduator? Yeah, it feels like a burrito. I don't know if that's usable.
I can salvage most of it.
I think you need to get your $3 back.
Just there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Didn't like that.
Holy cow.
Didn't like that.
Sky is clear, range is clear. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oops. Didn't like that.
Wonder if it broke before it started going slowly.
Where'd you go?
Clear. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Good. Range is clear. Sky is clear. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay. Fell apart. We have balloon, nose cone. I don't know where the motor went. It's gone this way somewhere.
One.
That's a success. By hook or crook.
Range is clear. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Still tumbling. No, still tumbling. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
No.
Still tumbling.
Actually, it seemed to be worse.
I think it needs more.
Yep, should be a lot better with some nose weight.
Just clear. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Continue is good. Sky is clear. Range is clear. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
It pops. There he goes. Boy, that was just like that A3 that you did.
Yeah.
See if looks like all the fins are fine. One had a slight crack in it. I need to fix that.
Good. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
That's quick off the pad. Come on, focus.
Oh, in the canal.
In the canal?